This is Johnny 5 and Rosebud. They came into the shelter at the end of last month. They were surrendered and they are available for adoption now. Come get it. This is Banjo. Banjo is a 1-year-old Jack Russell Terrier mix. Came into the shelter on May 18th and he is looking for his forever home. Come here, it's okay. Good boy. Come here. This is Aspen. Aspen is a 7-month-old hound mix. She came into the shelter earlier this month and she would love to find a place where she could lay down on the couch.